If you've been waiting for a home with real space, this one just got a lot more interesting. Welcome to 104 Creekside Court in Kennedale, and it was just reduced to $460,000 with a seller who's motivated to move. Let me show you around. You come up a long private driveway to a brick home sitting on more than half an acre with no HOA, just minutes from Fort Worth and Arlington. Step inside and it opens up. A bright entry that flows into a big main living room with a fireplace, tile floors, and natural light everywhere. There's a separate dining room and a kitchen that's been updated with a brand new stove, stainless appliances, and plenty of counter space. Now here's what makes this one easy to say yes to. The big stuff is already done. Brand new roof, brand new HVAC, new gutters, a new dishwasher and oven. You're not buying a project, you're buying peace of mind. But the backyard is the showstopper. An oversized private lot with mature trees, a covered patio, a basketball setup, and a massive covered workshop with room for your RV, your boat, and your projects. This is the kind of yard people search for years to find. Now here's the twist. Through my hybrid agent program, you get $6,975 back toward your closing costs or buying down your rate. And because I handle the real estate and the mortgage, the financing options here are wide open. If this is your home, don't wait. The seller wants it moved. DM me the word hybrid or tap the link below to see everything. And if you want more DFW homes like this one, subscribe and I'll see you at the next one.